everyone! Today we'll look into how you can automate your PCR protocols using the flowbot 1. So if you're spending hours pipetting your samples, then this will be a game changer. Today I'll demonstrate how you can automate your PCR workflows before initiating PCR amplifications in a thermocycler. And thanks to the flexibility of the flowbot 1, you can actually program a normalization program and a PCR assembly in just one protocol. First, we'll prepare our DNA or RNA sample using the normalization template program. So this is a preset template program that will automatically calculate the volume of each sample to a target concentration to normalize them. To start creating my normalization program, I will use this icon, and I will start by adding my components. Then I will select my samples and also my targets. I will also select my diluent. And here I can program my protocol depending on my specific needs. So for instance, I can change the dispense order, the volume, and the concentrations. Then I will need to add the concentrations of my 96 samples. I can do that manually, but I can also upload a CSV file. Like this. And now I will save my normalization program. So next we'll prepare our PCR samples. And the flowbot 1 software allows me to convert my normalization protocol to a manual one, allowing me to add PCR assembly steps to my protocol. This is done by clicking on this icon. Now I will add my PCR plates and tubes and where I have my master mixes. To conclude my PCR assembly, I will distribute the different components into the PCR plates together with the normalized samples. By adding a mixing step, I can program the flowbot 1 to mix the samples to a homogenized solution. And here I can edit the volume for the mixes and also the repetitions. I can also add bottom touch, and with this function, the robot will touch the bottom of the target well after it has dispensed liquid to make sure no drops are hanging from the tip. This is especially useful when pipetting small volumes into dry vessels. And there you have it. When the flowbot 1 has completed all the steps, then your plate is all set and ready for amplification in a thermocycler.